Hi, in this lecture I am going to show you the first sample program which we will write in C++. I have installed code blocks. So what I am going to do is click on Start, go to All Programs, select Code Blocks, then click on Code Blocks. So it's getting loaded. You can download any version of code blocks, but I would advise you to download a version which is either 13.12 or bigger version. Okay, so this is the window that will appear for the first time. Now what you can do is you will go to File, New, click on Project. A project is chosen when we are intending to write more than one programs. So if you are writing only single program, then you can choose file also. Anyways, I am going to click on console application. See, console application, then click on go. It's a wizard, simple wizard. Click on next because we are going to write the program in C++. Click on next. It will ask for project title, which could be anything. Suppose I happen to write my sample prg1. So you can store it in the directory of your choice. I'm going to store it in, suppose, in the folder then suppose it's Mahajan's. You can choose the folder of your choice. So I'm going to save it in, this is Mahajan's 1, then Udemy. Okay, then I'm going to choose C++ course. This is where my whole course is lying. Then what I can do is I can create a folder, make new folder, and the name of the folder, let it be programs. Okay, so this program is going to be saved in this particular location. Then click on next. Project file name is going to be this one, sampleprg1.cbp. This is the name of the project file name. Okay, but the name of the file would be cpp. You will see after a short while from now. Compiler is going to be GNU GCC compiler. This is the compiler we are going to work in. Okay, keep the rest of the things as it is. Click on finish. Right. So now you can see a disabled window, and it may look that we are not able to write the program, but don't worry. Go to the projects, this sidebar, go to sources, sample. As you know, sample prg1 was the name of the project, which can consist of multiple C++ programs. We have written only one single program, and name of which has been given as main.cpp. I will double click on it. Right. So see here, this is the template which will appear, and it says hash include iostream and then using namespace std. Let me tell you that right now you don't worry about these two statements. I would be explaining them in detail, but you might have guessed that iostream is a header file because using hash include preprocessor directive we people include header files, which you have already learnt in your C course. So as you know, the main function is called main. Int main is to be returned like we did in C also. And this is a sample statement, but let me write my own statement. Okay, I'm going to write, suppose cout hello, this is Mahajan computers. Okay, now Cout is used to print something on the screen. We can draw a parallel with the printf statement of C language. And this double less than symbol is called insertion operator, right? We will be talking a lot about cout and insertion operator. There is also an operator called extraction operator, but right now I won't be talking about these things in detail. We would be covering them in our subsequent lectures. So here I am writing it within double inverted commas. Again, I repeat it, cout is used to display something on the screen. It can be compared with printf statement of C language. So as you know, whatever we people write within double inverted commas, that is printed as it is. So hello, this is Mahajan computer is to be printed. Because we have written int before main, so we can simply write return 0, even though it's not going to make any difference whatever you return. It's just a formality. In order to execute the program, I will click on this run button. Okay. It is giving me a message. It seems that this project has not been built yet. Do you want to build it now? That means compilation should take place first. I will click on yes. See, your program has been executed. This is the output. Hello, this is Mahajan Computers. So it has been executed on the console window, that is command prompt window. So press any key to continue will take you back to the IDE. So this was a simple example in which I have told you how to use cout and how to print something on the screen, how to write the program under a project, etc. Let me tell you, you can do one thing. You can go to the sample, your sample prg1, which was the name of the project. Go to like add files, and you can add a file which is already existing. So right now we are just going to create our own files, and what you can do is, in order to delete a file from the list, you can press the right mouse button and then choose this option, remove file from project, right? Or you can close the file also. So these are trivial things which you will learn during the course of this training.